Good morning. Thank you for joining the meeting today. I appreciate you taking the time to speak with us. Good morning to you as well. Thank you for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here, and I'm glad we have this opportunity to discuss such an important matter. To begin, let me give you a brief overview of our company. We specialize in providing a wide range of digital services, and recently we've been successfully expanding our operations across various international markets. That sounds very impressive. I actually had a chance to review your company profile, and I have to say, I'm particularly interested in your unique approach to innovation and your clear focus on long-term growth. Thank you for noticing it. Our main objective right now is to establish strategic partnerships with companies that can help us improve our overall efficiency and, most importantly, deliver even greater value to our clients. I completely understand that. From our perspective, collaboration isn't just a buzzword. It's absolutely essential for achieving sustainable success in today's market. Could you explain in more detail what you expect from a potential partnership? Indeed, we're looking for a partner who can bring expertise, a proven track record of reliability, and a shared vision for the future. In return, we offer complete transparency, unwavering commitment, and a promise of mutual growth opportunities that aligns perfectly with our core values. One of our highest priorities is ensuring clear communication and delivering measurable, tangible results across all our collaborations. I couldn't agree more. Clear communication is absolutely critical for any successful venture. For this very reason, we make it a standard practice to schedule regular progress meetings and provide detailed performance reports to keep everyone on the same page. That is very reassuring to hear. May I ask about your proposed timeline for implementation if we decide to move forward together? Of course, if we reach an agreement, we can begin the initial setup phase within 2 weeks. The full implementation, from start to finish, would take approximately 3 months to complete. That timeline works for us. Another critical factor for our team is risk management. How do you typically handle potential challenges or unexpected issues that may arise during a project? We take a proactive approach to risk. We believe in identifying potential risks as early as possible, developing comprehensive contingency plans, and ensuring that all stakeholders are kept fully informed at every stage of the process. Excellent. This level of professionalism and foresight gives us a great deal of confidence. I truly believe there is strong potential for a successful collaboration between our companies. I'm very glad to hear you say that. Our next step would be to draft a formal proposal that outlines the full scope of the project. All responsibilities and the expected outcomes we aim to achieve together. That would be perfect. Once we receive the proposal, we will review it internally with our team and make sure to provide you with our feedback promptly. Thank you again. We truly appreciate your interest and sincerely look forward to the possibility of working together. Thank you as well. It has been a very productive discussion, and I feel confident about the future of this partnership. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on building successful business relationships.